We're here at the Englewood Metropark, gonna go for a hike. They have a couple of waterfalls here, and so we're gonna hit the trails. I don't think we picked the color yet. They're all the trails are running the same direction for now. So we're just gonna walk until we find the sign that splits off to the waterfalls.
Yeah, and then we can go to one of them that have a waterfall.
Yeah, we can.
Oh, a bug.
There's also a little bug under there. What kind of bug is it?
Yeah.
Annabelle found a teeny tiny froggy.
I thought you were trying to map, guys. What did you find? On a map.
That one? That way is the Martindale Falls, and towards Abigail's side is the Patty Falls.
Yeah, Patty Falls. Are we going that way?
I don't know. We're going to decide.
Where did we start?
All right, we're at mile marker number 3, so we're trying to get to the Patty Falls.
This one?
Yep, you found number 3.
And
So now, see Patty Falls? It's to the right there.
And we're
So see, we're here at number 3, and we need to get over here to Patty Falls. So we're going to take the, what color trail to get over there?
Pink.
Or, yeah, purple. Slog over here.
Yeah, you might find some cool creatures by it.
Yeah, there could be some cool creatures. There's definitely some fungi.
Fungi? Daddy, walk leg! That tree, on the inside it's all clear, but on the outside it still has the skin around.
Yeah. Broke off.
On a leaf. What is it? A
That
tree
blends
moth.
in.
I'm gonna call you tree branch.
Don't you think
Tree
that
branch.
helps keep the birds from eating it?
Yeah. So
I'd
then
say
they
so.
can fly to tree and just blend in.
Mm-hmm.
I barely saw it there. The root of it.
Yeah, that's a part of the tree root that grew up through it.
And then
There's
they probably
another
had
one.
to saw it off because it's a pathway.
Another one over here.
Yeah, but a bump in it. Waterfalls. I think the waterfalls are up ahead. Come on. Waterfalls have to be up ahead really soon.
There's another airplane, huh, Annabelle?
Airplanes right over there. Airplanes come about water, but then people can't see beautiful.
Yeah.
All sorts of nature, aren't we?
Yeah.
Look, the waterfall! Come on, Emma.
Yeah, I can see it through the trees. What do you see over there, Ivan?
A waterfall!
You see it from here? Yeah, there it is. Is this bench a good place to relax?
Yeah!
Go ahead.
We catching 2 little baby frogs, and we had a waterfall, and they in my hand, and they punching out to like get in water.
Yeah. Make sure it doesn't get above your knees. Don't get your feet all wet. Yeah, we're not going to walk too close to that edge. Not close enough, Annabelle. Right. You want to let your hog loose over here or something? Or the roots are over there?
Look like that, that's a 5 wood. This is so fun. Walking out. Feel fun? Are they punching? Trying to punch even harder, Annabelle? Like they're punching now.
Setting down on the deck, maybe. Or we can wait a minute, Mom will go pick her up. Oh, yeah?
And the farthest to get them too. Would be a perfect area for fairies to live. It's a little grove for fairies.
What do you think about that stream?
I think it's cool. This area is lower down and then towards that way, that goes faster. A bug! Another walking bug. Hurry up, Annabelle. Anna, stay here. This is so fun! We couldn't go in this area. I'm going in again. Whoa, careful, Ivan. Careful. Water green. Yeah, it just goes around your foot. Look, it splits and goes around. Why? Yeah, in the water. Why splash, silly?
I don't know. It's a good question. It almost looks like a little tick or something.
Yes.
They go under the leaf. There it is. I don't know what kind of bug that is.
It's an orange one and a red mushroom. Yeah. That means
Okay, go ahead.
water! Can I go in it? Maybe come over here. Mama, can we go in the water since it's the lighter part?
On that side, yeah.
We're in Fairy Water Garden. Yeah, there's Fairy Mountain. Here's Fairy Crystal. And then Fairy Mountain. Look, the Fairy Waterfall. The Fairy Wonderful. We're fairies. Yes, fairy. One, over here.
Wave. All right.
Big wings. Wait for me.
Found ourselves a little ravine. Let's see if we can make it across it.
Research.
There we go. Made it across.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
How old is that tree, Abigail?
Well, I'm guessing about 1,000,000 million years old.
Million
it's really
years old?
Big.
Would you be able to wrap your arms around it?
No.
Nope, not
Plus,
even
I
close.
don't want to because there's a bunch of bugs on it.
Okay.
Bad idea. And it's a really tall tree. This is called Fairy Vine Area. Vine Tool. Where fairies love. Fairy Vine Area? Bugs. It looks so good with all this moss and stuff going on.
This is like a little boardwalk, isn't it?
Yeah, look. Too bad we couldn't go in. Yeah. Butterfly. So that's a dragonfly over there. Another right behind you, Mom. Right behind you. Maybe you can get it. Right here, right there.
Well, that's it for this video. We finished our hike here at Englewood Metropark. We're gonna get back in the Jeep and get on with our day. Thanks for joining us for this vlog, and I hope to see you on the next one. Take care.